Today's video will be a quick update about the French government's decision to protect independent booksellers against huge online retailers like Amazon and Fnac. Please be aware that it may affect Amazon KDP earnings comes from Amazon France. As far as I'm concerned, it's also a warning for other Amazon marketplaces in the European Union. Actually, I made a video about it in April and informed my audience in advance. However, the view count of that video was low, so if you missed this important Amazon KDP news, keep watching. If I make a summary, the French government announced on the 7th of April 2023 that the delivery fee will be a minimum of €3 for any order including one or more books whose purchase is less than €35. And they said it would be applied 6 months after the publication of the decree. It means that it is starting today, the 7th of October. For your information, French law prohibited free book deliveries in 2014 to stop the domination of Amazon and Fnac in the French book industry. As you see here, Amazon found a legal loophole and responded by charging its Prime members just a single eurocent per shipment with no minimum purchase for orders containing only books. And everyone was wondering if Amazon would find another loophole for this time. However, it didn't happen. This week, Amazon sent this email to its customers and informed the situation about it. And as you see here, today Amazon updated the delivery fees. Please notice the delivery fee of €3 will be applied to any customer orders, including Prime member orders. I mean, if any customer, including Prime members, wants to buy a €7 book, instead of €7, he or she will pay €10. Therefore, I think this may reduce the sales of some low-content books on Amazon France. I don't know how many percentages of your Amazon KDP earnings come from orders in France, but it's around 10% for me this year. One of my KDP low-content books has started to sell organically well nowadays on Amazon France. So, I will see the impact of these extra delivery fees on its performance in the coming weeks. If you are earning most of your royalties from the orders on Amazon France, don't be pessimistic. We have to adapt ourselves to the new situation. So, what can we do? If your main Amazon KDP income source is Amazon France, consider this new decision of the French government and work wisely for Q4. I think it will not be easy to sell no-content books like line notebooks, square notebooks, and low-content books like New Year planners on Amazon France anymore with an extra delivery fee. Because customers can find this kind of books in any local bookstores or even in supermarkets with lower prices. Regarding coloring books, it depends on your niche, but we need to be more creative now. I think during Christmas time, the customers will care less about this extra delivery fee for the gift ideas. So, I think the real impact of this new regulation will be after Christmas. Please notice that local bookstores in France still charge around €7 for online deliveries. Therefore, Amazon will still be more competitive than the local stores for online deliveries. So, reducing your margins for your bestsellers may help you keep your customers. That's what I will do for the book that I just showed you if the performance of it reduces after today. My last advice, try to diversify your income sources. It can be different Amazon marketplaces or different online business models. Learning professional design tools like Adobe Illustrator may help you continue your business not only on Amazon but also on other marketplaces like Etsy or Fiverr during changing situations like this. You can find complete beginner tutorials about Adobe Illustrator on my channel and many others on YouTube. I wonder how many percentage of your Amazon KDP earnings coming from Amazon France, and what do you think about the new situation? Please write me in the comment section. I hope this video was worth watching. If you think so, make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. See you soon in the next video.